Ngatho cia mwanya muno ni undu wa gucoka ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega Karen Nyamu recent interactions on social media makiria mutambo-ini wake wa TikTok where app iyo irakorirwo ikimuikia nja just for a few minutes due to some, and I quote, sexually suggestive content ne behavior itumite alumiriri yake makorwo makiuria kana hihi akiri o sawa kana she's doing all this niguo andu makorwo makiuria niki kirathie na mbere. Karen needs a therapist big time. One of her fans akorwo agicomment ni undu wa maundu agikoretwo akiona Karen agika mutambo-ini ucio wa TikTok, her fans failing to understand itumi ciake ni iriku kuona ndaretigira kwionania as if she is desperate ni undu wa to video akoretwo agiikia. One fan onake akorwo agicomment akiuga those close to her magirire gukorwo makimurora to see if at all is well, kuona her recent behavior suggest otherwise. Ndiwe kana we ni ureshiriria she is different kana she is just being herself, being Karen Nyamu. We know Karen posted this video on her page hiyo yake ya TikTok, na ni video yagituma andu makoro na a lot of comments makiuria why she's too ready to prove she's a desperate woman, akiandika, and I quote, "Me the only one riding in his new car because you decided to make decisions out of anger." Kuona Samido recently bought a new car, andu magikorwo magiciriria she's throwing jabs at Eddie Derito kana akorwo she has a new man and she is throwing jabs at Samido. Na Samido ni aragikorwo live over the weekend agiprofess wendo wake kuri Eddie Derito who is in USA. On the other hand, Karen Nyamu athiete na mbere na gupost these videos ironania ta aretha uthu na Eddie kana tarorota mundu fulani. Video andu aria twagikorwo tugithoma comments ciao marauga irathie na mbere na kumuonania kiri desperate muno.